Joy La Paz Abine! Ladies and gentlemen, bigyan natin siya ng isang masigapong palakpakan.
Bote na kayo dyan.
Bulong ng bulong, wala namang kasan, pero marami ang nakabarong. Hey! Congratulations!
You don't have to be beautiful
Wow!
to turn me on.
Oh my gosh! Ano, ikahadlok, oy! Ay, ganon, ganon, ganon. Naglalakad ako pauwi mula sa eskwelahan nang biglang lumakas ang ulan.
I was walking home from school, but then suddenly the rain started pouring heavily.
Tong, tong, tong!
I was walking home from school, but then suddenly the rain suddenly crashed out.
Oh! With all the side effects, with all the dramas, na-crash out ang rain. Valerie, is it tong, tong, tong sahur or pur, pur, patapin?
And the winner is... Oy, unsa ni mo diya na mensaya? Tug, 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 tug!
Wait lang! Hey! Stop it!
Alright, thank you.
First round pa lang yun. Okay, 1 point and 0. Gusto kong ipakita sa'yo ang lugar kung saan ako lumaki.
I want to show you the place where I got big.
I want to show you the place where I got big. Ooh. How about? Okay. Oh, ito na. Wait. Wow. Uy, may props. Lights, camera, action.
I can show you the place where I was born from the beginning. Yun lang.
Palakpakan po natin. Walang iya talaga itong Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's the decision of the Madang people. Tong, 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 sahur or pur, pur, patapin? Wala sila nagtubag kay naglisod sila mention sa brain rot. Darling, we will go for... You decide. Walay tralalero dire.
Cappuccino ba?
Simpanzini ba nenini? We will go to Pur Pur Patapim. Congratulations. Okay, moving on. The last line. Kahit anong pagsubok ang dumating, ay kakayanin natin itong magkasama.
Ayaw ko na. I can't do this.
But
Use the microphone.
you should stop this, Earl. I don't want to. I don't want to. Did you say, no matter the circumstances, together.
Ano sila bromance?
Earl! You just said that! You said that to me! And now you're going against your words. I'm out of here.
Parang hindi na naging translation to, naging lights, camera, action na to Okay. Here we go. The stage is all yours.
Hindi mag-request ng song ka to. Sad song. So, ayaw ko na Whatever the circumstances, we will stay together. Joe! Ayaw mo na! Joe! Sagutin mo ako, Joe!
Do you think as you want?
Joe! 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 Pinaluni! Joe!
Good boy.
Hindi ko na naiintindihan ang nangyayari. Okay. Darren, your answer is... Drum roll. Drum roll, please. Dum 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 sa horror. Purper, patapin.
And the winner is...
Anong may susunod na host dito sa Midsaya? It is...
Alright!
Sabog na. Bye! Here we go!
Dum 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 dum!
Congratulations! Thank you so much. Where's... Salamat. Saan si Purper Patapim? Bye-bye, Purper Patapim.
Bye-bye!
Congratulations. Paghahatian nyo yan, ha? Maraming salamat.